Hi, I'm Sean Bradford. I'm a press operator, setup guy, trainer for Scherdel Sales and Technology.
My name is Tomas Hernandez. I'm a machine operator, and I actually had a friend that worked here at Scherdel Sales and Technology, and he got me a job starting out, and I just never left, and I love it here. To become a machine operator, it takes patience, really. Patience, willingness to learn, wanting to work. Once you get the hang of it, it's actually pretty easy work, but it takes a long time to get to that point.
You gotta have patience, obviously. Some of the kids today that we got in here are really gung-ho. They really wanna do it. And they're really easy to train because they're into it like I am. To have something like that, to have these kids, as soon as I walk in the door, Sean, can you help me over here? Can you show me this? Absolutely no problem. And I love it. I go home with a smile on my face.
Leadership is great here. I was trained mainly on-job training here. I came here with no experience, and now I'm one of the top guys here. So I've had great experience learning from coworkers, learning from people in Germany.
I'm blessed. I've been doing it for a while, so I got to go to Germany and train with a lot of the older guys, and got to go to some of the companies that actually make the presses. So all of a sudden, when you see it from start to actually finish, I mean, even from a press taken apart, it is really cool.
I started as a shop peener, which is just like a secondary operation job here, and I moved up to machine operator. And what I do all day long is, yes, I do press a button to start the machine, but I am checking parts, I am making adjustments, I am going to check the loads, checking dimensions, putting different angles on, tooling to make sure it makes the right form, communicating with the tool room.
We are a team. I've worked with the engineering department, I've worked with the tool room, I've worked with the CAD department, and they're all good guys to work with. They're all willing to work with you. They're all willing to help you. Yes, we're a team, but we're here 8-10 hours a day. After a while, after 10 years, this is your family.
I have good friends here. Our company gives us a softball team, indoor soccer team. So there's a lot of activities with the company as well as just at work, period.
It's a big challenge. We got a lot of new jobs coming up. A lot of them is going to be like an assembly job, which we've never done before. So I get to take control of this and get to do the setup, which is going to be really cool. I've done a lot of the initial setups from the beginning. Stuff like that is really challenging. It's a really good time. You feel really good about yourself when you do something from the start to the finish. I love when a customer comes in and I explain to them, this is what I did. This is what it was beforehand, and this is what we got when we're done. And I've actually had customers say to me, I've never had somebody bring me in and explain exactly, how things are done from beginning to finish with a big smile on your face.
So if you're interested in manufacturing, I would definitely recommend this job. It's a great living, it's great work. It's a nice set schedule. It's a nice clean environment here. It's just a good time.
It would be a great opportunity. If you like challenges, this is what to do.